Hello again, it's Girl Gone Natural. I just wanted to come out and show you guys how I am protecting my leafy greens now. So the little white flies that are moths or whatever they are that fly around and deposit the worms onto the collards, the certain kales. That's my kale, and as you can see there in the middle of the screen, they just annihilated my plants. You see all the holes in my collard leaves. And the other thing was I had been using neem oil, and the neem oil was damaging. Let me see if I can get in there. Okay. So you see the way the neem oil was drying out. I live in Florida, and so it gets very hot. The sun gets very, very hot. And so trying to use neem oil during the summertime, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It's going to dry out the leaves on the leafy vegetables, and so especially the collards. That's the one that I've noticed that it affected the most. So I'll just make sure that I'm only using that in the colder temperatures. Once it gets cool, then I'll use the neem oil to keep things away. But my point of this video was this. So I bought a bolt of Tulle, and it's this just very, very fine mesh material, right? And so I just cut strips and laid it all the way across my little bed. And so that way the moth flies cannot get in, and they can't keep depositing all of these worms onto my leafy greens. And so I also, on the other side, in the new bed that I started, I just laid a piece on the ground for now. I'm going to be going and getting some wood pieces in order to build this up a little bit. And so I'll be able to lay those on the wood pieces instead of directly on the plants. But, you know, the plants are pretty strong. And this material is very, very, very light. So the plants will actually be able to push on the mesh material and continue to grow freely. Okay. And so that was the point of this video, was to just show the tool that I had bought in order to make sure that these flies are not depositing all of these worms all over my leafy greens. I need to protect those. We eat off of these collards, and these 2-3 plants actually lasted since last year this time. And so we ate off of them as they grew through the winter time, and you know, we still enjoy having meals off of these 3 plants right here. And I have planted a lot more of the collards, but they're still very young right now. And so thank you all so much for the subscribers who have come in and been with us and are supporting our videos. We thank you so very, very much. And if you have not subscribed, please do so and help us get to 1,000 subscribers. That's our goal. So we thank you so much and hope you all have a wonderful day. See you on the next video.